Yeah. Zordon, bring that clap around. Alright, ayo Alpha, bring that lick in. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. That's friggin' tasty, man. Go. As I dressed in all green, I step on the scene, sitting taller than that boy named Yao Ming. Told them things that they won't stop me. I got the eye of the tiger, but I'm feeling 10 times like Rocky, the Red Ranger. Screaming morphin' time, forever on my grind with the lights turned off, but forever I shine. You won't stop me. I use teamwork cause I'm too cocky. So there's no I in team, but it's me and my team. Time to go against you and you. So what you wanna do? You ain't stepping to us. You bust, we bust, we make you all rust. Like dirty metal, baby, this is heavy metal. Turn it up, I'm on a different level. Hotter than that tea kettle. Like habanero sauce, baby, I'm a jalapeno. When I get it on, I'm moving so daggone raw. Never cussing, baby, I'm just like David Ruffin. The temptation shall shake you, but never break you. Moving to the same thing that you do, and I'ma do the same thing that I do. Cause when I do me, baby, I'ma do it to the best. We only got like a couple of minutes left, so I'ma do it down to the last breath. Cause when I'm on my grind, baby, it's morphin' time. So at the top of my lungs I shall scream, bringing all the things down to their knees. Evil will not stand the power that I bring, because I devour all them things. Oh yeah. Go, go, Power Rangers, baby, better be walking with angels. Cause when I'm on that beat, there's no other strangers that will ever mangle or be ranger. Cause I am that guy, haha, rolling by, stop by. See you tryna mug me and snatch a girl purse. Baby, I'ma have to hit you where it hurt, cause I'm feeling like a superhero just about that. Robert and my De Janeiro. Shout out to all my superheroes, Batman, Superman, Spider-Man, Captain American. At the top of my lungs, yes I can. Screaming like Barack Obama, cause you know I'm just an insane bomber on the beat without the drama in the street. So when I bring it back, there's no reason to go back. So I'ma give it back to the community, cause when I got it to a science, it's down to a T. I'm never defying or feeling fatigue. I'm just hitting the block with the things that you need. So when I got the cream of the crop, it ain't speed. I'm just moving the love. We ain't talking about drugs, because we all positive over here, man. They talking about slugs, they talking about choppers. But we the type of people that hit you with something proper. You need to get in church and praise the Lord, because when you get in there, you won't never be bored. We got people out here clapping their hands. We got women out here that's ready to dance. And when we get it on, we ain't stopping. So you know we about to get this block out here hopping.